Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how can we install the 2020 Microsoft Office 2024 in our system from the Microsoft site only. It is a genuine. You will not get any warning from the Microsoft. So before do that, you have to uninstall the previous version of Office from your system. So to do that, you have to go to Add and Remove Program and you have to uninstall the previous version. So I'm using 2021 version, so I have to install that first. So I'm uninstalling that, and it will take some time, and it will give you the pop-up with installation completed. Okay, so you can see the installation is done from here, and now what we have to do, you have to go to the site that is called the Office Deployment Tool. I have added a link also in the description. So once you go to the site, you can see this is the Microsoft site only, and you have to click on download. That is the Office Deployment Tool. Once you click on download, it will download a file. Go to that folder. It is in the download folder. Take that file, and you have to create one folder in C drive where we have to install the new version of Office. So once you go to C drive, create one folder with name of Office 2024, and in that you had to paste the just what you have downloaded, the tool, that is the Office Deployment Tool. Once you copy that, you have to double click on it. It will ask you where you have to extract the file. Give the same folder, that is Office 2024, what we have just created. So you can see the files are extracted over here, and let's check for the let's move to the next step. So next step is, again I will add the description link in the description. You have to go to Office LTSC preview. This is actually the site where you can get the installation file. So you can see over here, click on this link, install Office, and if you go down, you can see XML code over here. You have to use this code to run the means to start downloading the 2024 from actual site. So copy this code and simply go to the folder where you have just extracted file. Delete everything, only we need the configuration, and that file just rename as a configuration. Remove everything, whatever the system it is over there, and you have to open this in the notepad so that you can edit the code. So if you right click and open with notepad, so you have to remove this, select all and delete, and paste the code what we have in the site from Microsoft. Copy it, paste it. Okay, so now you can see we have saved the file, and you can go and again check the file with all the code. The new code is there. Now we are installing the Office 24. So uh, I'm not using the Visio Pro and other stuffs that I have to install in my system, so I am deleting that. If you want to install, you can keep it at it is. So right now I am installing only Office 2024, and I have deleted the other codes, so you can do that as well. Save the code and close the configuration. Now what you have to do next is you have to go to CMD. So you can go by the just typing the CMD in the top, and you can yeah, you can go to the exact location where this file is. Now run this code, setup download configuration.xml. Once you click on enter, it will start processing. You will not able to see exact how much percentage is going on, but you can see the folder is created in the back. Yeah, it is in the Office 24 location, and it will download all the components and the other stuffs from the site. Once complete, you can see the path is highlighting over here now. So that means our process is completed. It depends on the internet speed as well. Once it is completed, you have to do one more thing. You have to run one more command. It is in the site only. Above the XML code, copy that code, that is setup.exe, paste and enter. So once you click on enter, it will start downloading again, and it will ask you the permission to install, and once you click on yes, it will start the process. Again, it will download few more the files from the site. It will take some time. Yeah, as internet speed matters over here as well. So okay, so now the actual process starts. Once it's complete, it will show you your process is completed. Okay, so you are all set. So now your system, what Office is installed, you can check. Just go to Word, and you can see the this is Microsoft Word. It's opening. It will ask you when you first time open the file, open the application. It will ask you the license agreement, accept it, and go to account to check the product and the activation requirement. So you can see right now it is not activated. We need to activate this. So to activate this, the same site, if you go scroll it down, you can use the MAC activation code, not this one, the MAC activation code. The max of the time it's used, I have used, and it is successfully activated the Microsoft Office. So I'm using the Office product key. Just go to the product key and click on activate Office. Okay, you can it is processing, but yeah, closing it and opening it again. Okay, so we need the internet to activate this code. Once you click next, it will connect, and you can see the preview is activated. Office 2024 is activated. Go to account, you can check the product is activated now. You can see all the products are there. Thank you.